Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. It is Thursday, and on Thursday, we have our class. And today, we're going to learn a little bit about call to action. And I have a bonus for you, but you have to stay until the end to find out what this bonus is to help your channel to grow. And if this is your first time coming to our channel, I would like to welcome you and thank you for coming today. And if you have not subscribed, that little red button down below, please hit that subscription button and subscribe to our channel and become a part of our family. On Thursdays, I will be doing these little teaching videos, and I upload videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And Thursdays is our teaching day, and Tuesdays and Sunday I may do videos about my flowers or cooking videos or reviews or going shopping, whatever comes to pass. But anyway, let's get into it. We're here today to learn more, but subscribe, ring that notification bell next to it, and give me a thumbs up. And please leave a comment and let me know what you think and how you feel about this video. Let's get on into it. Today's call to action that you need to do when you are getting ready to upload videos or set your videos, make sure that on your page, on your YouTube page, channel page, you have a button that says About. Please fill out your About, because people need to know what you are about, what your channel is about. And there you can put your information if you're affiliated with any business, or you have a business on the side, you can put that there so people can go check it out. You get put your email in there, and also if you have Instagram, Facebook, or whatever social media that you may have. But that way, sponsors or other people who are trying to get in contact with you will know how to get to reach you. If you don't have anything in your About page, they won't know. So your About page is gold. Please fill out that About page on your channel page, okay? Okay. Now the call to action for today, when you are doing your description and titles and everything for your videos, what is most important when you're making your title for your video? Make sure your keywords, where you put the little tic-tac sign, I can't even think right now, and put your word next to it. You can put 3 keywords from your title and say your title, how to get more views. This is my title for this video, how to get more views. So in your keywords, you need to pick out those 3 keywords from your title. This is part of your call to action, okay? Okay, then when you go down in your description, make sure you always fill out your description. That is very important. And the first words in your description should be what the title of your video is. Like the title of my video is How to Get More Views. My first word in my description will be how to get more views. That's another call to action. Then some words that you have said in your video, you can put them in that description. Make sure you have at least 130 words in your description. And when you get the description done, under it, put your 3 keywords there also. Then if you're affiliated with any other, like with Amazon, if you have an Amazon store, you can put some of your merch there, or whatever company you may be affiliated with. If you have Pinterest, IG, Facebook, Twitter, put all that information there, and make sure you put your email address there. And then at the bottom, always at the bottom put a little comment about how have your YouTube channel address there so they can come and watch other videos, and ask them to remind people to subscribe to your channel, to hit that like button, to leave a comment. Put that at the bottom of your description. That is the proper way of filling out your description. Okay, when you go on down to the tags, if you're doing your tags on your laptop or your home computer, you can put in 500 tags. I don't know how many, I never done it on my phone, but some people do it on the phone. It may be 250, I don't know how many tags, but fill in as many tags as you can. Okay, the very first tag that you put in your tags should be what the title of your video is. Like the title of my video is how to get more views. So my first tag will be how to get more views. Normally, when you put your first tag the same as your title and the same as where you have there in your description, that tag, most of the time, now sometimes it's not, but most of the time, it'll be number one. It will be number one on the search. If you don't believe it, try it for yourself and check it out and see. Because I don't know if you have vidIQ or if you have, I can't even think of the other one. But if, I almost said it. Sing your moment too, buddy. Lord have mercy. If you have either one of those, they will let you know what your tags are ranking. Honey, children, if you live long enough, you will have these blanks in your mind, these senior moments. But to God be the glory. So let's keep on going. Anyway, that is another part of your call to action. So we're going to do our title. We're going to have our 3 keywords in our title. Then we're going to go down in our description. The first sentence in our description will be our title. And then we'll go on and tell about what this video is about. And you're going to have at least 130 words or more in there. Then you're going to go on. You're going to fill it out complete now. Put all your information in there. If you're selling merch, whatever you're doing, put it in your description. Then you're going to go on down to the tags, and your first tag will be what your title is. And you can fill out you can go all around that, whatever the other tags you've put in, and make sure you always put your channel name in your tags also. That's another one. And just keep it going like that. And your thumbnail, your title and your thumbnail. Your thumbnail needs to be clear. I'm working on my thumbnails. I have problems with it. We all learning. We're here learning. But your thumbnails, don't just take in that picture of anything. Just throw it up, whatever. Don't give no rhyme or reason, and don't think through it. Think through your thumbnail. Think about it. Decide what you're going to do, how you want, if you want lettering in it. Picture thumbnails, a picture of the creator, they go a long ways. Those thumbnails go a long way. So if you want to do one like that, do it. But think about it. You want it to be clear now, clear, so people can see it and not be trying to, because nobody's going to click on it. You're not going to get that click-through rate. Nobody's going to click on it if they can't visualize what they're trying to see. If they can't see it, they're not going to click on it. So make it clear. Your thumbnail and your title are very, very important. That shows how your video will be shown and boosted out. It's got to, that first 24 hours is very, very important. And if you can get 100 views in that first 24 hours, I know we don't. I don't on all my videos. I know we don't. But it will be good that we can reach for that to get 100 views within that first 24 hours. And for the ones who have been monetized, who are listening, do you realize that in order to get that $100 a month that YouTube pays us, that you have to have that $100 threshold, that you have to have 74,000 views a month to get just that $100. 74,000 views, unless you go live and you get super chats and the stickers and the other little things, and you have the join buttons that they have blessed us to have now. If you have those little extras, those help you also. But if you didn't have those extras and you just went on the ads and that way of being paid, 74,000 views. Okay, for this bonus, for those who've been here with us the whole time of this video, and you're gonna find out what your bonus is to get more views, let me tell you, find you a video that is popular. One that's up, that's gotten a lot of views, that you can imitate, but imitate it right. Flattery is the best. It's the best. So do it right. Don't do exactly what they have. Change your title a little bit. Like mine is how to get more views. Put your own little thing to it. Look at their tags. Yeah, you can copy their tags. You can copy their tags and use their tags. You can use their keywords. Yes, and also bump up, like maybe they had their video for 8 minutes. You want to do yours for 10 minutes. Put more time to it. But it's the same video, but with your spin to it, your way of doing it. And find a video now that is popular. Try it and see how it does. And see the patterns that are in it. Another thing, this is going to be another video. We're going to have, your patterns and how you break up and different things. Like when I made the oops about forgetting TubeBuddy because I had a senior moment, those are little things you want to have in your video. So I hope what I've told you today will be a blessing to you and help you when you're uploading and doing your videos, to help you to get more views. And let me know what you would like to hear in the future in the comments, and share this video out. And I want to tell you, I love you, but God loves you more, because you are God's masterpiece. Have a blessed day.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing